In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade IC markets. By the end, you'll be able to log in, choose a market, place a trade with proper protection, monitor it confidently, and close it without confusion. First, log into your trading platform. Open MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or cTrader. Any of these will connect to your IC markets account, so choose the one you're comfortable with. When the platform loads, enter the login details you received after registration, your login, password, and the correct server. Make sure you pick the exact server listed in your welcome email so the connection succeeds. If you ever see invalid account, double check for typos and confirm you're on the right server. Next, choose what you want to trade. In the platform, open the Market Watch window to see all available instruments. You can select popular forex pairs like EURUSD or GBPUSD, trade gold under XAUUSD, explore select cryptocurrencies, or look at major indices. IC Markets gives you access to multiple markets, so start with one you understand. If you don't see an instrument, you can usually show it from the symbols list within Market Watch. Now, open a trade. Tap or double-click the asset you want, then click New Order. Set your trade size under volume or lot size. Smaller lots reduce risk and are easier for beginners to manage. Before you click Buy or Sell, add a stop loss to limit potential loss and a take profit to lock in gains automatically. A stop loss is protection if the market moves against you. A take profit books your target and keeps you disciplined. Choose buy if you believe price will rise or sell if you expect it to fall. Once placed, your trade appears in the Trade tab with real-time profit or loss. Monitor your trade as it moves. Watch your floating PL and the price relative to your stop loss and take profit. You can modify the stop or target to reflect new information, tighten risk, or secure partial gains. Keep emotions in check and avoid overreacting to small fluctuations. When you're ready to exit, go to the Trade tab, select your open position, and click Close. This action finalizes the result and locks in your profit or your loss. For a simple beginner approach, focus on trading with the trend. Buy when the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and sell when it's making lower highs and lower lows. Combine that with support and resistance. Consider buying near support, where price has previously held, and selling near resistance, where price has previously stalled. Keep risk small, stay consistent, and build confidence step by step.